Okay, so at the beginning of the year, you told yourself that you're going to start shoemaking and you're going to take it seriously. But it's August and you still probably have not started. Or maybe you started and there are just some equipment that you need to get that you just haven't got yet, and you think that that is hampering your progress. A bench grinder, aka filing machine. What if I tell you that I have a solution which can cut the cost of it by as much as 80%?
Wow.
If you're like me and you love to save some money, you're welcome to this video. But first of all, I have to refill my coffee. So you say bench grinders are expensive, right? I'm experimenting to see if I can use, don't tell anybody, cheap, humble sewing machine motor. Small sewing machine motor like this one. I'm experimenting to see if I can use that to make a bench grinder that can pull off the job that you will need it to. So let's go into the workshop and see how that plays out. Just so you know, I have a standard bench grinder, but then it never hurts to experiment on something new and see if a sewing machine motor can do the job. So first of all, I want to show you a few modifications that I have done to this sewing machine motor. As you can see, I mounted it on EVA, secured it to the edge of my work table, and got my welder to weld like a 4-inch knot to the pulley of the sewing machine motor. I earlier proposed this as a burnisher that I can use for burnishing my leather edges, especially now that I have taken to making leather bags. So it was meant to be a burnisher until somebody asked me a question on WhatsApp.
Good morning, sir. I hope all is well with you. Please kindly help me with the title of your video, the one in which you were using the mini grinder, or that you were recommending the mini grinder for beginners to have as a useful tool. I've searched for it on your YouTube channel, I can't find it. So I would be grateful to see it and know how it is used in the process of shoemaking. Have a nice day. God bless you.
So the point is, he requested for the video, and so I'm making it. So this is the stone that your bench grinder will typically come with. And then of course I know quite a number of people modify it and add these other ones. But you know, because the machine that we are going to use is not a heavy duty machine, rather than use wood to construct the wheel for the sandpaper that we're going to use, I'm going to use EVA from old flip-flops or slippers, as my Nigerian friends call it. So I cut rough cycles and glue them together. So I basically, you know, cut rough cycles from the old EVA slippers, glue them together, and then punch a hole in the middle. Then I'll put it on the motor itself and then sand off the edges. Then I'll glue on the sandpaper on the wheel. Basically, once I glue on the sandpaper, I'll be able to use this as a bench grinder. So I'll just stop talking and let you see how all of this plays out. And I hope you try it out and see if it works for you. So you see, if after watching this video you still haven't started your shoemaking career because you think you don't have enough money, what you are doing is a sin. In fact, you are a sinner. In fact, it is not a sin, it is iniquity. You are an iniquity now. Go and start your shoemaking career, Jare. God bless you.